Hi, welcome to everyone. In this video, I would like to explain the concept sacrificing ratio. What do you mean by sacrificing ratio? While admitting the newcoming partner in a firm, the old partner sacrificed their share of profit in favor of the newcoming partner. So the newcoming partner share of profit is calculated on the basis of sacrificing ratio. Here we use a simple formula to find out the sacrificing ratio like old ratio minus new ratio. So let me come to this problem for calculating the sacrificing ratio. A and B are partners in a business sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. They decided to admit C into the firm, given him 1/6 share. Calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio of the partners. So in this given problem, A and B both are partners in a firm. Their share of profit is 5:3. 5 for A and 3 for B. And C is admitted as a newcoming partner and his share of profit is 1/6. So these are all the given informations in the problem. From that we have to calculate the new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Actually the new ratio is calculated on the basis of the newcoming partner share of profit. Here we don't know the total profit. Always the unknown value should be taken as 1. So here let the total profit be 1. Out of the total profit, C as a newcoming partner, so C's share of profit is 1/6. Therefore, the remaining profit is 1 minus 1/6. So take a LCM 6. So 6 1 is 6 minus 1. 5/6. So the 5/6 is a remaining profit. So the remaining profit only shared among the partners A and B in their profit sharing ratio 5:3. So we can calculate the new ratio. So new profit sharing ratio of A is the remaining profit is 5/6 and his share of profit is 5/8. So just you multiply that value, 5 5s are 25, 6 8s are 48. And the new ratio of B is, the remaining profit is 5/6 into B's share of profit is 3/8. So 5 3s are 15 divided by 6 8s are 48. And the C's share of profit is 1/6, but it should not be in an even manner. So it should be converted into equal ratio of 48. So 48 divided by 6, 8. So 8 is multiplied from the numerator value and denominator value. So 1 into 8, 8, 6 8s are 48. So we can easily calculate the new ratio of A is to B is to C. So the new profit sharing ratio of A is to B is to C equal to 25/48 is to 15 divided by 48 is to 8 divided by 48. Therefore, 25 is to 15 is to 8 as a new ratio of all the partners including the newcoming partner. So next, come to the calculation of sacrificing ratio. So here we use a simple formula to find out the sacrificing ratio like old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio of A is to B equal to 5:3 and the new ratio of A, B and C is 25:15:8. Therefore, we can easily find out the sacrificing ratio, but the sacrificing ratio is calculated only for the old partners because they only sacrifice their share of profit to the new partner C. So the sacrificing ratio of A's old ratio 5/8 minus His new ratio 25 divided by 48. So take a LCM 48. So 8 is multiplied by 6. So 5 6 are 30 minus 25. 5 by 48. And the sacrificing ratio of B's old ratio 3 by 8 minus new ratio 15 divided by 48. So same LCM 48 and 3 is multiplied by 6. So 18 minus 15, 3 divided by 48. Therefore, the sacrificing ratio of A is to B equal to 5 by 48 is to 3 divided by 48. That is 5 is to 3. That's all.